Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in this video I'm going to show you how I achieved this. If you want to see how I achieved this, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. I'm going to go ahead and try it on, and I'm going to show you how this one looks. But before then, let me show you how this looks. So inside the package, it has the hair, and it has this, but I'm just using mine because this one is a bit lighter. This one, when I got it, it was 360 wig, but in the middle was just open, so I sewed it myself. I'm just going to show you. It came like this with the neck. Is my signature hair. If you know me, you know that this is the type of hair I like to wear. Got another one. It has the wig cap, but first I have mine. I normally like to wear this color because this, you know, suits my scalp. They gave me this, but I have mine. I'm going to use my own. This is how their wig looks. This one I got it in I think natural color. This one is color 2. The baby hair is quite cool, so it looks good. So this one got about 3 combs, and I got another comb down, and it got another strap where you can actually hold it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So I'm going to go ahead and install this hair. Okay, so please watch the video to the end, and make sure you leave your comment, make sure you leave me a like, make sure you share this video as always. Okay, please keep on watching.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. There's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again.
So guys, it's been just about 5 minutes. I didn't intend to carry it long, so I'm just making this for the purpose of this video. So this is
can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky.
So beauties, this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye bye.